Today we'll be learning English subject. So students, you all are already aware about animals, right? We learned about animals in jungle safari. It was interesting, right? Yes. So students, today we'll be learning lesson number 4. Let's know about animals. In this lesson, we'll be getting more information about animals. So students, let's learn, let's know more about animals. Now students, what can you all see in this picture? Yes, this is hen. And students, hen gives us eggs. Very good. Students, on right hand side, that is the shelter of hen. The shelter of hen is called as coop. As we human beings stay in a house, we protect ourselves in house. In the same way, hen protect herself in a coop. C-O-O-P, coop. Shelter of hen is known as coop. And sound that hen makes is called as cluck. C-L-U-C-K, cluck. What sound does hen makes? She does cluck cluck. Very good. Now students, this picture is of horse. Have you all seen horse? Yes. Horse stays in a stable. What is the shelter of horse called as? Stable. And sound that horse make is neigh. What does horse do? He neighs. N-E-I-G-H. Neigh. I hope so you all are understanding students and you all are enjoying it. Yes. Then this is dog. Have you all seen dog? Yes, everyone is aware about dog. Dog stays in a kennel. What is the shelter of dog called? Kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. And sound that dog make is he bark. B-A-R-K. Bark. Bhav bhav we do. How does dog do? Bhav bhav. So it is called as bark. B-A-R-K. Bark. Then students, this is the picture of lion. Lion stays in a jungle. Where is lion found? In a jungle. And shelter of lion is called as den. D-E-N, den. Students, as you all can see over here on right hand side, dens are usually made up of stone and lion stays in den. Lion sound is called as roar. He roars. R-O-A-R. Roar. Now students, over here, this picture is of elephant. Very good. Elephant has long trunk and shelter of elephant is jungle. Elephant stays in a jungle. And the sound of elephant is called trumpet. What is the sound of elephant called? Trumpet. T-R-U-M-P-E-T. Trumpet. Now, this picture is of honeybee. Have you all seen honeybee? Yes, honeybee stays in a beehive. Shelter of honeybee is beehive. And honeybee collects honey from flower and she keeps it in beehive. And what sound does honeybee make? This buzz. She buzz like that she do, right? Yes. So sound of honeybee is called buzz. Then what is this? Yes, this is mouse. And mouse stays in a hole. Shelter of mouse is called hole. And sound that mouse make is it's squeak. S-Q-U-E-A-K. Squeak. Now students, this is duck. Very good. And duck stays in a water. Shelter of duck is water. Ducks are usually found in lake, in river. They stay in water. And students, the sound that duck make is quack quack. How does duck make the sound? He quack quack. The sound of duck is called quack. 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 So students, I hope so you all understood it. Now repeat after me. Animals, shelter and sound. First is hen, Hen, hen. Shelter of hen is coop, coop. And what sound does hen make? She cluck, cluck. Second animal is horse, horse. Horse stays in a stable, stable. And sound of horse is called neigh, neigh. I hope so you all are repeating after me this. Then students, dog. And dog stays in kennel. Shelter of dog is kennel. Kennel. And dog makes sound of bark. Bark. Then is lion. Lion. Lion stays in a jungle. Shelter of lion is den. And sound that lion makes is roar. Then is elephant. And elephant stays in a jungle. Elephant sound is called as trumpet. Then is bee, and shelter of bee is beehive. And bee's sound is called as buzz. Then this animal is mouse. Mouse stays in a hole, and mouse makes sound of squeak. Then is duck, and duck stays in a water. And what is the sound of duck called? Quack quack. Yes. So students, I hope so. Thank you.